Hello, you have done the work. You have created your ideas from scratch. So now is the time to put it on Amazon KDP and get your first royalty paid. So let's get to it. So we're going to go ahead and publish our book on Amazon. So now let's go over to my book cover. That's the one you named. And then we're going to download in PDF. So this is your book looking at you. Just go on your top right. You see this icon where you say share. You click on it. You go down to download. Click on download. And then where you see file type, you're going to change it over to PDF prints. And then when you do that, we're printing just page 1. So make sure to select only page 1. And then you would select your color type, which is the RGB, best for digital use. Selecting the CMP, best for professional printing, might not work. It will tell you to pay for, oh, it did. I'm using Pro. So if you're not using Pro, you're using basic plan, you may not be able to use the 𝐂𝐓𝐇, but that's okay. I've used RGB when I'm on the free plan, so it's fine. You can use that as well. So I'm just going to pick this, and then I will click on download. Okay, so our PDF file is going to be downloaded in a bit, and then we're going to head over to the interior and print and download that as well. So we will go on the same way, share, and then download, and then we'll pick PDF prints. The printing page is 1 to 150. Then we'll select our color type, and then we'll click on download. Okay, so while we're having that done, we'll head over to Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP. Okay, all right, we'll get there. And so we are selecting, so this is what your Amazon should look like. So you click on, we're creating a paperback. So you're going to go look at the options you have. You have Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, and series page. So we're clicking on paperback because we're creating a low content book, and we'll make this available in print and ship anywhere around the world. Okay, so let's click on paperback, create paperback. So it's going to bring us over to this page. Now let's start listing our book. So what will be our book title? The title of my book is Adam and Eve Kids Journal. So that's what I'm putting as the title of my book. And then what will be my subtitle? I'm going to call it Fun Bible Lesson, Creating Writing Prompts for Children. That's what ChatGPT gave me, but I'm going to change it based on the search that I had done on Amazon to see kids journal. I did that before my class, so I can show you. I type kids journal in the search, kids journal, just to see what it's out there. And then I think I worked with the first 3, so I'm just going to take let's take the second one. So I think I like what this person used. This person says, a journal to teach children to practice gratitude and mindfulness. So mine is going to be a journal to teach children fun Bible lesson and creative writing for prompts. So I'm saying fun Bible lesson and creative. No, not way. Fun Bible lesson Okay, to teach children. Okay, to teach children obedience. Obedience. And what was the other thing that our lesson was teaching? Forgiveness and love. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to cut that. Forgiveness and love. Okay, so this is okay. From Bible lessons to teach children obedience. From Bible lessons to teach obedience. Notepad for writing. Okay, so I'll put that there, and then I will go ahead and it says add series. This is not a series, but so what this means is maybe if you're writing a fiction book or novel or something, like you have the book is going to be in series, right? That's when you can select this, but this is optional. You don't have to. So it says edition number. I don't have one, so I'm going to go over to the next. Now it's saying what name do I want to use to create this book. So my first name is Maria. Last name is Eden. Okay. Did I make this book with anyone? No, so I'm not going to put anything here. In fact, I'm removing it. Okay, removing it. Okay, so that's done. Now we need to describe our book. Okay, so we're going to head over to see how people describe their book, and then we'll learn from it. Okay. So just a simple description, nothing basic. I'm just going to say, I think I actually put it down. I think I had noted it down. Let me see. If I didn't, then I have to do it. Okay, I didn't. I thought I did. Okay, that's fine. We can do that together. So I would say this is a children's journal that talks about the story of Adam and Eve, how God made the garden of Eden. You see, so if you notice, I'm trying to put the right keywords that if someone searches for Adam, it's there. Someone searches for the Garden of Eden, it's there. So I'm making sure that my words are intentionally in the description as well. So say how God made the Garden of Eden so beautiful for Adam and Eve, but they did not get to enjoy God's promises for a long time as they were deceived by the serpent. The story teaches us the story is meant to teach children, the importance of obedience and importance of obedience and listening to God's instruction. Okay, so now I can now talk about the because if you look at this, not this one, but some book will tell you, okay, yeah, it's there. See, they put the reading age, the print, the pages, and so I can put that there. in my description, I can go back and check another one just to see. Let's check this person. Let's see what they have in their description. Okay, this one had, see, this is, okay, so I like this. I like what this person wrote here. I'm just going to form mine. So I'm going to say the book, the journal, contains note pages to help children write down their ideas and ideas. Okay. All right. Okay. So now I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing right. Yes. Does this book cover interior contain sexual? No. Okay. And then what's this? It says the maximum age. Okay, this is, for me, this is kids book. Do we want to put an age? Okay, maybe we can say from 3 to 18. Anybody here from 3? I think I'm fine with 3. Now let's choose category. This is a low content book, so let's choose the categories where we want this book to be. Children's book, definitely. So we're selecting children cookbooks, action and adventure, classics. Let's select children's book, religion. Okay. I don't see Bible. Eastern general. I don't see that. Christianity. Okay. Subcategory Bible. Okay. General, pictures, stories. Okay, that's fine. All right, so we've picked our categories. We just save it. Okay, low content, and then our keywords. Okay, let's put keywords that you can. So we'll have children's book, and then we would also have Bibles, Adam and Eve story for kids, Adam and Eve Sunday school storybook. Those are the keywords ChatGPT suggested to me. Sunday school storybook. And then I checked a few that I checked. I checked this on Amazon. Then I also got there was one other one. Let me see. Let me go find. Where's our Word document? Yep. Let's see. Okay, so we said obedient choice, forgiveness, children's book, Genesis. Okay, first people in the Bible. That's actually a keyword, really. First people in the Bible, Adam and Eve. Genesis. Preschool book. Bible stories. Okay. All right, so we have our keywords sorted, and then it said my book was previously published. No, today is the publishing date of my book. Okay, so what's the next one? Release my book for sale now. Yes. So we're done here. We'll click save and continue to take us to the next page.